Today we're working on his 100 Accord Euro. He got a, was it mugen style wing to put on. So we're gonna spend a bit of time today and chuck that on. Hopefully it doesn't take too long, but we'll see and find out.
Very, very scary putting holes through the boot, and I don't want to have to get a new boot or a new wing, so let's hope we get it right the first time.
Yeah, so we'll see how it goes, but let's have fun whilst doing it.
Of course. Yeah, you can just measure the back one. I just wanted to see if we're like putting it to the back, like, because this is approximately like on top of the holes. Yeah.
It's supposed to be 50 mil.
This is what we've done so far.
So you've got it in the right spot, it just needs to be straight.
Some tape on the towel.
Did you really ask why are we measuring it?
No? Why would I say why are we measuring it?
Did you? Or did you say, what did you say? What are you measuring?
I think he said white one.
I think I may have.
I don't know what all this white stuff is.
Excuse me?
Yeah, Paul.
Feels like clay or something.
Yeah, I think it's just like leftover from
Assembly.
previous customer. Or
Customer?
that.
Customer at the
Oh, no.
working table.
That's crazy. I'm glad we didn't give you one.
I mean, you'd still be able to hear him though, pretty easily.
I think we know that, yeah, the top one was the back one.
Yeah, and we know they're 50 mil apart.
Yeah. So we'll start with the back one.
Yeah, right. Start drilling then.
Pretty simple.
Does it line up
Let's
though?
get down to business.
How confident are we that like it'll sit perfectly? You know, distance-wise from the back.
What do you mean?
Very confident. Like that sits at the back of the car. This is sitting exactly where that is.
Didn't you just line it up?
Yeah. How confident are we?
And yeah, about like 108 mil. So it's pretty back.
Yeah. Like
Okay.
3 mil off won't be.
No, it's back's gonna get it really.
Yeah.
And that hole isn't super accurate anyways.
Yeah.
So I reckon you'll be happy with it.
Okay.
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 Start drilling then.
Who are you talking to?
On you, big man.
It's your car, unless
It
you
is
want me
your
to drill.
Are we just going straight up? I think that's the goal, right? Like,
Yeah, big dog.
how much force do I have to put through?
Just
Until
start
it
off
goes.
gentle so you don't slip.
Huh?
Yeah.
Start off gentle so you don't slip. You ever drilled a hole in anything before?
Not where it mattered.
You scared?
Yeah.
Should be.
Let's have fun whilst doing it.
That's how it's been doing.
Can't go back now.
That's number one done. Maybe anything to say? Okay.
Let me switch out the bit on this.
Don't you work with tools?
Not a drill.
And not
Not
drills.
a power drill. I only have screwdrivers at home.
Three more.
I'm not gonna this is a metal drill bit.
This is very
yeah,
scary.
I don't think it is.
This is extremely scary.
There we go. Oh, we'll need to send this back on the other side. Because it like,
Yeah, what?
we need to send this back. Because it's been obviously pushed out.
Yeah.
True. Are we supposed to go from the top down?
Yeah, we should do from now on. Once
Yeah.
we've done the pilot hole.
Do I have to
Yeah.
do something about the paint there? Because won't water get in?
No?
I think it should be fine.
Because water will come down here. Go for coffee after this. we've done one hole. We've scratched the paint on the inside, and we've pushed all the metal up on the outside.
Yep. One hole down, 3 to go.
So we've learnt multiple lessons on that one.
Well, we're gonna file it back. This is our second time doing a wing. Not first time for Tim, second time for us.
And now we learnt why you go from top to bottom when you're drilling a hole.
Ethan's not so impressed.
Yeah, it's not very flush at all.
No. Should we drill downwards? Is that going to fix anything?
No.
You can go forwards and back.
Gotta go way. I feel like I'm in surf's up.
All right, look, first of all, with the grain. With the grain. You see what I'm doing here?
So that's why we have the tape there. We can do the other holes.
Tim got bored.
Alright, let's drill another hole.
Yay!
I would compare it with the other side as well. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey,
Seems about right. Like, we can
She'll be
never
right.
do so wrong.
that's the thing. Worst case is that it's hidden underneath the wing.
Yeah, hopefully. Could just do this with the boot closed, couldn't we?
Yeah. See?
That looks better. Oop, might need a...
It'll be tangled.
Uh-oh. Yeah. Oh, there we
Yeah.
go. How does that look like distance-wise?
Looks good. Yeah.
Sick! That one was so much easier. What's going?
That's good.
What's brother doing? You filing that plant?
What?
Bro, it's getting hot. I can smell it. There we go. Don't we need the other hole? That's 3.
That's 3.
Oh, but we should see how it sits on it.
What was that?
That was me dropping the screw.
So, this one
Yeah. Needs to be
has-
over a little
it
bit.
has to go through that, like that, to get to the hole. So we need to make this hole wider and kind of push it that way a bit. Right, that's good. Right, let's try again.
Come out.
Takes forever, man.
Don't wanna do it.
Yeah, sure.
Let me
Right.
finish it off.
I didn't think this would take this much effort, physically.
Yeah.
Because you want to go rock climbing after this, and then I'm going to hit the gym. I'm going to be spent. Yippee!
That should do a little bit of.
Yeah, it'll be fine. It'll be chilling. I've got the top spoiler.
Double downforce.
So much downforce in your rear wheels here front wheel.
So we've got the wing on now. Just Putting some mugen.
Huh?
They're quite malleable.
That was not a very good fit. I'm not gonna lie.
Well, it's too late now.
Is it too late?
Oh. I mean, you could try and pick it up, but...
Should I try?
Ethan.
Ethan,
I've got this lined up.
should I try and move it? I didn't line mine up very well. I just. Should I move it? I put it a tiny bit too left and it's like sitting
You
out.
can try.
You just
I
need
didn't
it.
bend it. I bent this.
If we get a knife, we could just prong it.
I do have more double-sided tape.
Do we want to just grab a knife?
Yeah, just grab a knife.
Are Mugen still a brand? They just don't make this anymore.
Yeah, they're still brand.
Yeah. Make sure to line it up.
Yeah, I'm with Ethan. I need to bend it first.
I be Mugen this body, am I right, guys? What? Am I dancing?
I don't know what bro's saying.
What is little bro doing?
I said, I don't know what bro's saying.
Oh yeah, that's a lot better. No, that looks good.
Yeah, hopefully it stays on.
It will.
Falls on, you won't notice.
I won't until I'm like,
And then you get a thumbnail.
Mugen badge stolen?
In brackets, fell off while I was driving.
Crime rate in Melbourne going up? I don't like this. Not one bit. Why is this harder than like Lego stickers?
Because it's a rigid sticker.
I'm so good at Lego stickers. Yeah, that ain't going nowhere.
That looks good though.
She'll be right.
That looks really clean with the
Yeah, with the Mugen. I was kind of like, I don't know if I need this, but it looks cleaner.
Yeah, just wait. Hey, so all finished up now.
It's
Yeah,
looking
how do you
great.
feel?
It's a job well done. Like, it was a bit scuffed, and it was very, very scary, but the output has come out really clean. We ended up using all but one of the washers because one of them was a little bit tricky at the end, but she's sitting pretty now. So
Yeah, no, it looks really good. It didn't take too long, which is good. I think it only took a couple of hours, but yeah, who knows?
the
yeah.
Mugen stickers came out really nice.
Yeah, no, it actually looks really clean with the Mugen.
Yeah.
I reckon it looks really good. I think we did a pretty good job. It was good fun. So we'll see what else we'll end up doing with Tim.
With the Accord.
With the Accord Euro. Seems like a pretty nice car. I've been in it a couple times. Tim drives it pretty well. So yeah.
See ya.
So that's all we had filmed from the spoiler install. Later that same day I actually got a flat tire during a rainy night, but a few weeks prior to that I actually bought some really old work wheels that had old non-legal tires. So this was low-key the perfect excuse to buy new tires for the new wheels. Thank you guys so much for watching all the way through this video. There's a whole backlog of mods and meets that I have to edit, so there's plenty more content on the way for you guys. Stay safe and I'll see you all next time. See ya.